How to mute messenger notifications. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Messenger and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the top left of the screen, and then scroll down to the preferences section, and from there click on notifications and sound. And here you will be able to turn the notifications and mute them by clicking on the toggle at the top to turn it off. But here you can only do it for a certain period, as you can see right here, for example 24 hours, and then click on OK. But they will be turned on again once this period has ends. So if you want to turn them off completely, what you can do is go ahead and open up your settings and then scroll down to apps and then search for Messenger. Click on it, and from the privacy section click on notifications, and here you will be able to turn off the notifications toggle for good. Like, it won't be turned on its own till you do it manually. So that is it for this video. That's how you can turn off notifications and mute them in the Messenger app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.